Well, right now we are standing in our main warehouse at Chesterfield Food Bank Outreach Center, where we distribute over 2.7 million pounds of food to our local community every single year.
Restaurant Week, we're in our third year this year for Restaurant Week. It's a great partnership with the food bank. It's a chance to highlight the restaurant community, our business community, bring everyone together, and support our partners here at the food bank, and dine out so everyone can dine in.
Renewal Cares is something that is very important to us here at Renewal by Andersen of Central Virginia, and we really look for ways to give back to the community. Now, everything's expensive right now. There are a lot of people who have a lot of needs, so we are so happy to be here at the Chesterfield Food Bank Outreach Center, just finding a way to give back and making sure that people have the food that they need.
We operate with over 60,000 volunteer hours every single year. So we really can't do this without folks coming in and volunteering. And every distribution uses about 100 to 150 volunteers every time. So if you can imagine, that's 900 a month just to do that part. And then we have daily operations here at the warehouse where we're sorting and processing the food, getting it ready for those deliveries.